Renowned British sociologist Martin has said that China is leading by its own example as it advances its vision of building a community with a shared future for mankind.
I think the shared future is something that China has to take forward by its own example. And I think China gives a very, very good example. It supports the international institutions. It attempts to make peace with other countries. It attempts to provide shall we say, a place where people can discuss peace and the future. That's very, very important for the rest of the world to see that China is doing for itself what it is recommending to others.
Albro said the idea of shared future has two dimensions to it.
My view is that it's becoming clearer that the shared future has really two dimensions to it. One is the development of the international institutions which allow countries to cooperate on shared interests which are very often more regional. They relate to trade, they relate to common security and so on. And you can look at the world as an interlocking set of partnerships. Now that's one level at which the shared future operates. But for me, the other and more important level is the global level. And by that, I mean addressing those challenges which affect the future of the globe as a whole. And those are not addressed by simply regional or small group partnerships. These have to be addressed by the whole world, considering the fate of the earth.
There is a misconception about the community with a shared future, that it is just a utopia. Commenting on this, Albro said the two ideas are not compatible.
The shared future can't be a utopia because utopias are fixed. Utopias, the idea of a utopia is a perfect state of society which doesn't change. That is not a notion which is compatible with the idea of the continual development of human abilities and of technologies.